Every year, our planet faces growing environmental challenges: climate change, pollution, and excessive carbon emissions, all of which threaten the balance of ecosystems and the health of our future generations. But there is a solution available to us today: solar energy. This limitless, renewable energy source offers a sustainable alternative that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and significantly cuts down on harmful emissions. Solar energy harnesses the power of the sun, the most abundant energy source we have. By installing solar panels on your home or business, you can capture this sunlight and convert it into clean electricity, dramatically lowering your carbon footprint. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, which absorb sunlight and generate direct current DC electricity. This DC electricity is then converted by an inverter into alternating current AC, the type of electricity that powers your lights, appliances, heating systems, and more. But the benefits of solar panels go beyond just powering your home. By generating your own electricity, you become less dependent on traditional power grids that rely heavily on non-renewable resources like coal and gas. This independence not only saves you money on energy bills but also allows you to contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Every kilowatt-hour of solar energy produced means fewer carbon emissions released into the atmosphere. Over the lifetime of your solar panels, the environmental impact is significant. Each panel contributes to a global reduction in greenhouse gases, helping to slow down the pace of climate change. By reducing your reliance on fossil fuels, you're actively supporting the transition to a more sustainable energy system that can preserve the planet's resources for future generations. Moreover, solar energy helps protect biodiversity. As carbon emissions drop, we mitigate the harmful effects on wildlife and ecosystems. Clean energy reduces air and water pollution, both of which are essential to preserving habitats and species worldwide. Installing solar panels is not just about saving money, it's about investing in a better future. It's a choice that benefits both you and the environment. You're joining a global movement toward clean energy and playing an active role in protecting the Earth. Imagine a future where your home runs on the power of the sun, contributing to a cleaner atmosphere and a more sustainable planet for generations to come. Now is the time to make a difference. By choosing solar panels, you're choosing a path toward energy independence, environmental responsibility, and a brighter future for all. Take the first step today. Discover the power of solar energy and be part of the solution.